Good morning. How are you all doing today? Hope you're feeling bright, energetic, and enthusiastic. Today, 29th August, we have come together to celebrate the National Sports Day, also known as Rashtriya Khel Divas. 29th August 1905, Major Dhyan Chand was born in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. One of the greatest hockey players in the history of sports. He won 3 Olympic gold medals in the years 1928, 1932 and 1936 and ensured that India figured on the world map for hockey. Also known as the Wizard for his master ball control, Major Dhyan Chand scored more than 400 goals during his international hockey career. He played his last international match in 1948. The Government of India awarded Major Dhyan Chand with Padma Bhushan in 1956. His contribution to the arena of sports will always guide young sportspersons to excel and to achieve their goals amidst challenges and adversities. On this day at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, prestigious award like the Arjun Award, Khel Ratna and Dronacharya Award are presented to the distinguished sportsperson and coaches for their contribution and achievement in the field of sports. These sports awards are presented by the President of India to sportspersons who display extraordinary talent during the year. Dhyan Chand Award is the highest award for lifetime achievement in sports in India. Today we celebrate the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand, the wizard and the magician of the Indian hockey. At the same time, we also celebrate the spirit of sports, sportsmanship and the culture of sports. Physical activities and sports are an integral part of everyone, every day. Whether competition, health or fitness, it is our responsibility to ensure that we participate and encourage each other to learn, enjoy and excel in sports or games. It is wonderful to see many people going for morning or evening walks, run, do yoga, exercise in the gym or at home. Even during the office hours, people utilize break time to engage in simple exercises and even go for a quick walk. To take the spirit of National Sports Day further into our lives, I share with you special motivating messages from our Gaudium Sportopia mentors, Mr. Pullela Gopichand and Mr. Craig.
I wish each one of you at Gaudium Sportopia a very happy National Sports Day. On this day, it's important to recognize the value of sport and the commitment of our national hero and legend, Dhyan Chand. I think for us, today is a great day to remember what he's done for our nation and how sport is important for us to build the nation. As somebody who went to the Olympics and got us not just the medal, but showed what Indian pride and nationalism was. The Indian hockey team was one of the 2 teams which didn't bow down to the national flag of Germany and who didn't salute Hitler during the march past. It's important to remember those sacrifices and also feel pride in that achievements. Today, let's all come together to celebrate sport in our country and reiterate our commitment to sport. Wishing you all at Gaudium Sportopia a very happy National Sports Day. Thank you.
How's it everyone? I'm Craig Govender from South Africa and I would like to wish all you guys a National Sports Day on the 29th, which is today. So I'm given the great honor of working with Gaudium Sportopia and it's actually been a great blessing so far to work with amazing people. And our vision is to create the ultimate sports school at Sportopia together with the Gaudium school, and our ultimate goal is to bring the best possible medical practitioners to the school, the best coaches, the best equipment, give everyone that's part of Sportopia the best possible international experience in terms of getting better, getting to the national level and the international level. And this is going to come with a lot of hard work and a lot of dedication and a lot of communication with all of us involved. Coming from South Africa and working with a lot of elite and high performance athletes over my time, it's quite evident that high performance is essential, from planning, from nutrition, from sports science, from physiotherapy, from doctors, from you name it, in order to get that 1%. And I believe 1% at the highest level is what we all strive for. And from the school level, it's about seeing what's been done at the elite level and the highest level, and putting those building blocks in place. And that's what our intention is. And I've been given the great honor to assist this process, and I'm really, really excited about it. You can see it in my smile and in my eyes. It's been a big passion of mine, and with the facility that we have in South Africa, in Johannesburg, we started the foundation, and we have all these disciplines currently in place, and we're looking to move the model to Sportopia. In terms of nutrition, as we know, nutrition is vitally important, and it's going to be progressed at Sportopia, and this is just a small part of sport, and making sure that discipline is being done correctly. With regards to COVID, yes, we all are part of COVID at the moment, and it's the new norm, as we could say. It's been a really frustrating time for all of us, but fitness still needs to be done properly and efficiently, and to the best possible ability that one can do it during these times. It's obviously done according to what we have available to us, and also knowing that we can't go too fast during this pandemic. We also need to understand that we're going to lose fitness during this time, and once the pandemic is over, we can then get all the fitness back, the strength back, and go back to the norm that we used to. So doing it slowly and progressively is the ultimate thing to do at this time. It's no use running in your yards and corridors and balconies, running 26 kilometers, half marathons and marathons. It's just going to cause a lot of issues and a lot of injuries. So yeah, that's just a little bit of what we're going to get up to, and I'll be definitely helping the process of developing high performance at Sportopia, and I wish every one of you a happy National Sports Day. Take care from South Africa, Johannesburg. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Gopichand and Mr. Craig. That was truly motivating and inspiring. I'm sure we will make a difference when it comes to sports, health and well-being. My dear students, parents, colleagues, it's time for us to get into action. Let us join Ms. Richa and Mr. Narendran as they ensure that we participate, enjoy and learn aerobics this morning. They will start with warm-up exercises followed by aerobics. Let us enjoy, take a step towards fitness for life, everyone, every day.
Are we all ready for the warm-up? And as we join Ms. Richa, let's move our neck from side to side, from one side to the other side. The next stretch. We now move neck up and down, up and down. Very important before we start any exercise every morning. We now do the arm rotation, the forward. Let's swing our two arms forward and forward and forward and forward. Let's move our arms backwards. We swing our arms, both our arms, everybody backwards. Let's loosen up. Let's get ready. We now do the forearm extension. Let's move our shoulders. And now it's up to the arm stretch, up and down. Alternate, left, right, left, right. Let's move. And now it's time to swing from one end to the other end. From left to swing right, to swing left, to swing right. Thank you, Miss Richa. This is really important that we do the right warm-up before any exercise. And now it's time for the side bends. With one hand on your waist, let's stretch the other hand over our heads and bend from left to right, to left and right. And now it's time for hopping. Up and down. Everybody, let's hop. It's hopping time. Let's hop back and forth, back and forth. And now it's hopping sideways, from the left to the right. And finally the back kick. With hands right stationed by our side, we do the back kick. And now the front kick. With hands on our waist, let's do the front kick with left foot and the right foot. And now something that our children always do in the classrooms, the squat jump. Bend and jump. The jumping jacks. I'm sure we've all done this even when we were children. And children, I'm sure you've done the same in your classes before taking up any exercise, doing your warm-up, jumping jacks. And alternate to jump. Let's touch our toes. Left hand and the right toe. And now the two touch and clap. Let's touch our toes and clap. Let's touch our toes, come in the center and clap. The alternate leg touch. Your left hand touches your right toe. With your left hand, your right toe, and your right hand, the left toe. And so, we are all ready for Mr. Narendra, who's going to take us through some exciting aerobic exercises. Over to Mr. Narendra.
Let's go on. March on your place. After this, you will do left, right, and forward, backward. Just like a warm up. Right, left. Very good, guys. Good going. Come on, everyone. On beats, rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretching. Another side. Up, ready for jump. Great. Ready for jump. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, everyone, come on. Jump, not high. Not high jump. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again march. You know your breathing will be this time high. But with this march, breathe in and out, feel relaxed. Stretching again, lunges. Another side. Now open your legs. Ready for that movement? Great. Go down and up. Like again. One, two, three, four. Again march. Great. Good going everyone, good going. Yes, left, right, wrist, move this, upper body straight. Upper hands. Good going everyone, good job. Come on everyone. March. Start again. Catch. Two steps. March. Ready for change? Twist that. March again. Good going. Come on, everyone, come on, march. Forward. Two jumps. One step. Again. Change. Very easy. Change. Scissor. Keep going. Change. Great guys, you did a good job. We did 5 minutes and I hope you enjoyed a lot. You are not tired, but sweat started and it's really very good. Full body workout you did lower part, you did this part, you did upper part also, full body workout you did it. And that was so good. Don't go anywhere, just take a 5-minute rest and after that we'll meet again. We are going to do again. The second time we do it, just take a rest and meet again. So just have a water, drink water, relax 5 minutes and wait for. So let's begin. Left, right, steps. Step side. Change. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. jump. Step. 1, 2, 3, 4. One and up. 2 steps. Next elbow. Change. Easy. Change. Steps. Hands up. Change. Up. Down.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। खेलेगा इंडिया तो खेलेगा इंडिया। नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे 29 अगस्त हम लोग मेजर ध्यानचंद जी की बर्थडे पे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि मेजर ध्यानचंद जी एक बहुत ही बड़े लेजेंड रहे हैं। सो उनकी बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन पे ये स्पोर्ट्स डे अवार्ड और ये सब कुछ रखा हुआ है। सो अगर हम हमारे बचपन की तरफ जाएं, सो हम बचपन में काफ़ी खेल खेलते थे, चाहे वो छिपम छिपाई हो या गुल्ली डंडा हो या फिर गली क्रिकेट हो, और उससे लेके आज चाहे ओलंपिक पोडियम हो, ओलंपिक स्पोर्ट्स हो। हम तब से लेके अब तक हमारे स्पोर्ट्स ने हमें हमेशा आज तक प्राउड फील कराया है, एक अंदर से हमें खुशी दी है, ताकि हमारे बच्चे कभी भी स्पोर्ट्स फील्ड में फेल ना हो और वो एक अपनी सोशल लाइफ को बहुत अच्छे से जिए। हमारे जो देश के प्रधानमंत्री मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं, उन्होंने एक कोट किया था कि हमें स्पोर्ट्स को हमारी सोसाइटी की एक अंतरात्मा बनाना है, ताकि उस अंतरात्मा को हम जितना एक स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप की तरह नर्चर करेंगे, सो हमारी सोसाइटी में भी स्पोर्ट्स उसी तरीके से डेवलप होगा। अगर हम बात करें स्पोर्ट्स की, तो स्पोर्ट्स को हम स्कूल लेवल पे जितना ज़्यादा प्रमोट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि स्कूल लेवल पे हम हमारे जो जितने भी यंग किड्स हैं उनको हर एक एक्टिविटी करना चाहिए, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, और वो एक्टिविटी कॉम्पिटिटिव की तरह नहीं, उन्हें हम एक खेल की तरह लेना चाहिए कि हमें खेलना है। क्योंकि वो कोई भी खेल खेलने से हमारी जो भी एक आउटर लुक है और इनर लुक है, एबिलिटीज़ है, वो डेवलप होती है। साथ साथ हम हमारे बच्चों को एक अच्छा इंसान बनने की प्रेरणा देते हैं स्पोर्ट्स के माध्यम से, और स्पोर्ट्स जो है उससे हमारे बच्चों में एक हार्ड वर्क करने की आदत बनती है और वो एक डिसिप्लिन लाइफ जीते हैं। तो इसी तरीके से हमें स्पोर्ट्स को स्कूल्स में ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व करना चाहिए, ग्रास रूट लेवल से लेके, क्योंकि बच्चों के लिए उनके घर के बाद अगर सेकंड होम कुछ माना जाता है तो वो सिर्फ स्कूल है। सो मेरा मानना है कि स्कूल लेवल पे हमें बहुत ज़्यादा इन चीज़ों को ध्यान में देना चाहिए। खेल के साथ साथ खेलने से हमारी आउटर ब्यूटी तो बनती है, साथ में जो इंटरनल है वो भी स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है। क्यों होता है? क्योंकि हम खेल के साथ साथ बच्चों को एक अच्छा न्यूट्रिशन, अच्छा खाना एक सही राइट टाइम पे, राइट सफिशिएंट मात्रा में अगर हम देंगे तो बच्चा और ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा। और जैसा कि आज की डेट में आप लोग देख रहे हैं, ये पैंडमिक सिचुएशन चल रहा है, इस पैंडमिक सिचुएशंस में तो हमारे स्पोर्ट्स की 10 गुना वैल्यू बढ़ गई है। क्यों बढ़ी है? क्योंकि स्पोर्ट्स करने से अब जो अभी हमारी फिजिकल एबिलिटीज़ और इम्यूनिटीज़ तो डेवलप होती है, साथ में हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ भी डेवलप हो रही है। क्योंकि आज की डेट में जब भी आप टीवी खोल रहे थे पैंडमिक में, कोरोना इतना केसेस, कोरोना इतने केसेस, बट तो लोग मेंटली परेशान थे, बट स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी ने उनको उस चीज़ से निकाल के आगे खड़ा किया है। सो हमारी लाइफ में स्पोर्ट्स ऐसे ही एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है। सो मेरा मानना है कि हमें स्पोर्ट्स स्कूल लेवल से उठा के और एक इंडिविजुअल डेवलपमेंट करते करते आगे की तरफ बढ़ाना चाहिए। जैसे कि हमारे मोदी जी कहते हैं कि स्पोर्ट्स को एक हमें अपनी ताकत बनाना है, क्योंकि जितना ज़्यादा हम स्पोर्ट्स को इन्वॉल्व करेंगे सो बच्चे उतने ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगे, और बच्चे स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगे तो हमारा देश स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा। थैंक यू।
Dear friends, it gives me great pleasure to address you on this occasion of National Sports Day. As you all know, an active, healthy body and mind is essential for an individual to lead a purposeful, rewarding and a happy life. In general, we as a society give lot of importance to education. We expect our children to do well in academics, get good grades, which will ensure they get a good job later in life. But we are now gradually realizing that an individual also needs to be mentally and physically fit and capable to handle the challenges that life inevitably throws our way. Sports is an appropriate medium through which one can strive to keep oneself fit and competent. As we can see in recent times, Indians have begun excelling in many physical and mental sporting events at the international level. India as a nation is making rapid progress at building physical and training infrastructure required to facilitate an individual sportsman to practice, participate and excel in tough competitions. Guardian Sportopia is one primary example of what can be achieved through such private initiatives. It is essential that young children from all parts of our nation, especially at the village and rural areas, are provided necessary physical and training facilities to upgrade their inherent skills.
As we come to the end of today's program, on behalf of the Gaudium family, I take this opportunity to thank our visionary chairman, Mr. Nityanand Reddy, and director Ms. Kirti Reddy for their support in ensuring that sports is a way of life and in giving students the opportunities to learn, participate, and excel in sports. I thank the senior management team members for their guidance and support. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Sportopia mentors, Mr. Pullela Gopichand, Mr. Ramesh, Mr. Raman, Mr. Manoj Rana, and Mr. Craig for their support and motivating message this morning. I would like to thank the team and department who worked behind the scene to make this event a successful one. Mr. Ashokan Balaji, Senior Sports Manager, Sportopia, the PR department, the IT department, and the PE department. My sincere gratitude to you, my dear parents, students, and staff. Your presence this morning has strengthened our belief. We are and we will continue to strive ahead in being fit and healthy. Stay safe and let's continue to make a difference to ourselves and everyone around. Thank you.
Wishing everyone a very happy National Sports Day.
అందరికీ జాతీయ క్రీడా దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Wishing everyone a very happy National Sports Day.
Thank you.